Hey, welcome. I'm Josh Roberson. I'm here at the BI Summit in Dallas, Texas, 2025 edition. I'm representing the JascoPro line of products. Welcome to our booth. I've got a couple of things that we're really showcasing at this year's event. Jasco, specifically JascoPro, has been in the marketplace for about 15 years. We've really been the leader in smart technologies on lighting, Z-Wave, Zigbee, and Wi-Fi. We're the largest manufacturer of that. Our Circadian, what we call SmartCycle products, this won the New Product of the Year at the National Home Builders Association. Really cool stuff. Circadian, specifically health and wellness features are really become much more popular in new home construction. The neat thing about the product is it uses the existing wiring topology of your homes today. So our SmartCycle products, we're demonstrating it, but this is actually very similar to what you would expect in the home. Wake, work, relax, and sleep. So these are abilities to not only have the lighting change as it's emulating natural lighting on the outside, inside of the home, but then you actually have high quality task lighting. So I have the ability with our switches to go to it and actually hit wake, work, relax, sleep. So I'll cook at 8 o'clock at night, I'll hit the work icon and be able to enjoy that high quality, bright, crisp light. That's a big thing for us. It's been very successful. The other product that we're showcasing is our Under Eave lights. This has probably been our most viral product. You have the ability to create an architectural lighting element on the home. We're HOA-friendly, which is a big thing for this product category. Most of the products in the marketplace, the lights fire towards the street, really emulating Christmas lighting. The challenge with that is it's not very HOA-friendly. So you have the ability to change the architectural lights to becoming much more seasonally driven. And both of our technologies are app-driven, and there's no monthly fee associated to that, so it's a pretty easy solution to add. The next thing with our Under Eave lights, this has been extremely viral, is coming out with other attachments, accessories if you will, to add to the lighting to make it more seasonal when you want to do that without having to pull the lights from the fixtures. As well as a different modes. So we just launched a Halloween mode, which is called Brew. And so you can imagine by the naming that it's going to be a little bit more spooky than you wouldn't leave it on your house year round, basically. It's purple and green and it has flashing in it. But we'll have another evolution of this product coming out next year. I can't go into all the details with it, but it will become much more builder-centric, new home construction-centric. So we're really excited about launching that. We've got a lot of great feedback. So if this is interesting, you'd like to speak with any of our team, you're welcome to reach out to our company. Our website is JascoPro.com. So we've got a lot of the cut sheets and technical specifications on the products. Also welcome to call our support number that's on the website, and we'll get you in contact with the right person. We appreciate your time today. Thank you for visiting our booth.